Hey guys, welcome to Error Genie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enter a referral code on Ibotta to start earning cashback rewards. Be sure to watch the video till the end and follow along step by step. Let's dive in. First, go to the Ibotta website or download the Ibotta app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Once installed, open the app and either log in or create a new account. In the account section, scroll down until you see the option for Redeem a Referral Code or Referral Code, depending on your version of the app. Tap on it to open the code entry field. Now, enter your referral code into the box. Make sure the code is correct, then hit Apply. If the code is valid, you'll unlock the associated bonus, usually in the form of cashback or other rewards. Once the code is applied, you're good to go. Start shopping through the app and taking advantage of the cashback offers. And that's it. You've successfully entered a referral code on Ibotta. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.